Good morning! Today, we will discuss the techniques in separating mixture. 1. Hand picking. This method involves simply picking out all the unwanted substances by hand and separating them from the useful ones. The separated substances may be an impurity that has to be thrown away. Or maybe that both the separated substances are useful. For example, we have here the seeds of papaya and the rice. Through picking them one by one, you can see that the mixture is separated. Simply that. 2. Sieving. It is done to separate mixtures that contain substances, mostly of different sizes. The mixture is passed through the pores of the sieve. All the smaller substances pass through easily while the bigger components of the mixtures are retained. Example, we can see here the rice and the flour. We will mix it to be a mixture of rice and flour. Through sieving, with the use of this sieve, we will put the flour with the rice. We will sieve this, and you can see the bigger substances. The rice still retained, while the flour is passed thoroughly with the sieve. The last is magnetic separation. When one substance in the mixture has some magnetic properties, then this method is quite useful. Strong magnets are commonly used to separate magnetic elements. Example, you can see here the magnet, the iron metal, and the bronze metal. The mixture of two, we will use this magnet to separate the iron metal and the bronze metal. So through using magnetic separation, we can easily separate the two mixtures. The question is, how can we separate the rice and salt? It either remains in the bath as rice is applied to the bath or forms a peel on the bottom of the table. Consequently, rice does not dissolve in water and is insoluble. Through separating the mixture, it is easy to segregate rice and water. Salt, by evaporation, may be isolated from a solution. The question is, how can we separate the rice and salt? You can see here a bottled water with water, the rice, and the salt. It either remains the rice in the bottle or will dissolve. So we will mix the rice and the salt. We will shake it. Now you can see that the rice, it does not dissolve in water and it is insoluble. Through separating the mixture, it is easy to segregate the water and the rice. Now you can see that the water is separated from the rice, and the salt by evaporation may be dissolved from a solution.